What up, fam? Today we are talking about simple tips when selling your home, so please help yourself. Welcome back, fam. Welcome back. It's good to see you. Look, today we're going to be talking about you doing yourself a favor and following these simple tips when you're selling your home. Look, when we buy a home, we live in it for a while, we put our own personal touches on the wall, family photos, decorate it just the way we want to. And when we go to sell, the reality is that we can't put sentimental value on the listing price. And so I want to show you what works and what doesn't. What are the characteristics of the homes that sell quickly and sell for the most money as opposed to the ones that, sit on the market for a while and go through several price reductions. So without further ado, let's go. So tip number one is I see a lot of people listing their homes and they have a ton of stuff. I mean, like a ton of clutter everywhere, a ton of mess. They're not cleaning up. I mean, let's be real. When we go out and we go for a job interview, we don't go in our street clothes. We kind of get dressed up. So the same thing applies to your home. We want to dress it up. We want to put the best foot forward because you don't really get a second chance. Tip number two, and I used this on my last listing, is you can find somebody on Craigslist very cheap and you can hire them to come detail the house. And what does that mean? It doesn't mean that they're going to mop the floor, but there's certain things that you've overlooked over time that are going to stand out at any open house, on photos. It's going to stand out every time somebody looks at your house. There's smudges of dirt here or there. When you get a house detailed, they clean every nook and cranny of your house. And I had a house that was lived in for 30 years. And when I had the house detailed, people came in on the open house and they constantly asked me if this was a flipped house, meaning a house that has been completely remodeled. And reality was it wasn't. It was just detailed. For just a couple $100, you can make your house look brand new. The last thing I want to tell you about is do not settle for cell phone pics when you're marketing your home. It drives me nuts. It drives me absolutely nuts. There's good cameras. I'm shooting this video on an iPhone, but look, when you're shooting a home, it's not just about the clarity of the picture. It's about the best angle that emphasizes the best characteristics of your home. Your listing agent should really leave it to the pros. It makes a world of difference, and if all possible, do some video. Video is enormous right now, especially with social media. You can put it out there on social media and people can get a really clear, entertaining view of your home that kind of makes it stand out from everybody else. And the great thing is not too many people are doing it, so very easy to stand out. But please, do myself and do yourself a favor and do not use cell phone pics, please. And that's it. Very simple stuff. You're gonna see a lot better results. You're gonna see a higher quality of offers that come in, and you're gonna have a lot higher chance of selling your house for the price that you want and without letting it sit on the market. So I hope this helps. It's a lot of information from myself and from my clients, from them seeing houses that they really liked, but they just couldn't see past a couple of those things that I was talking about. So good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to leave my info in the comments section, and I will see you on the next video.